Good afternoon, December the 11th, 2015, where market is trying for that test or running stops below 2002 that we talked about on the last update. We talked about on the last update if the market stayed below the 2010, 2012 area, it would be hard. It would be pretty easy to get a test at 2000. And the key is going to be, what does the 50 lot player do? We did get that little spike, went up to 15. Again, this is what this market does. It just gets stops above the obvious, run it. Fat bars right here, trying to take it higher. We got volume. Bust that bars low. You should be short. Came in this morning with a number 2 buy area in the 10, 12 area. We had hoped to sell 25s to 30s when the market opened up. And the sell came out of this area right here before the day session opened up. The 10, 12 area got down and touched that. Really, this gave us several good buys. So the big idea prevails. The direction we like the short side better prevail. But it made for some really choppy trading at time. Loser. Winner. Loser. Buy was a winner. This buy right here is a loser. This retest failure plus V top plus those two S's plus this S loser. Retest failure buy winner. V top winner. Retest failure S winner. Buy loser. Retest failure plus, so on and so forth. So pretty choppy trading, and the problem is right here in pane number 3. What is the 50 lot trader doing? And when the market starts to sell, especially early in the session, they are there to stop the world from piling on. Towards the end of the session, they'll let it go in the last hour trading. But that first couple hours, when everybody's there and wants to do something, we've had news, they tend to be there to back the market. So going for stops below 2,000 as we envisioned an hour ago. Looking at the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. No news on Monday to drive the trading. F2 screen, definitely a B, definitely pointed lower. So on the assumption we get through 2,000, buy number 1 area 95 to 2,000, buy number 2 85 to 90. Going to really open it up on the downside. On the sell side, we had the spill from 4. If we were to close right here, we would be selling 4 to 7, sell 1. Then we'd be selling 10 to 15 for sell 2. No news to drive the trading. Okay, the strength this morning we came in, we could sell. We knew we had news, retail sales, which actually came in bullish for indexes. Market ignored it. Came in negative for treasuries, but we said the market's focus was the direction of the E-mini. Higher low, higher high, find a place to buy treasury come Monday. And again, it's going to get down. It's going to swing on what the E-mini does. Multiple distributions higher, strong close right here. In fact, we're making new highs on the closes. The E-mini's making new lows. So to close the market right here, sell failure to take out 8 to 12. If the E-mini is selling, we have no interest in being short. 15 to 19. Sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down was 2, then 3. Going to give it a little room because of volatility. 29 to 01 by 1. Going to try to pick up this area right down in here. But having said that, this 4 area, this area right in here, we'll put a question mark at 2704. And buy 2 will be the breakout. We'll buy the 2420 area for buy 2. Okay, similar situation, strong trend day up. We can see we have the attractor up here at 158, then when we get through that, 160. We took out several stops on the way up, so very, very strong market. The issue will be follow through buying in Globex or Sunday, and a lot of it's dependent upon the E-mini. So sell failure, take out 16 to 20, and then 27 to 31, leaning up against the buck basically. Buy side, last rotate down was 5, so 1 to 5 by 1. Then we've got this 24, 28 area for buy 2. Okay, gold had a good day and it held those gains into the close. I think we're in the same situation. We have an outside day right here. That usually means trading range. So best selling has been 80 to 85, and we've had good buying at 60 to 65, and I don't think that'll change. E-mini is heavily sold. My guess is gold's going to try to trade higher off of that. A lot will be down to that. So 79 to 81, sell 1. 84, 86, sell 2. On the buy side, 70 to 72. Then 65, 67 for buy 2. And we're going to put a question mark at 75, and a lot of it's just going to be dependent upon the E-mini. Crude oil stops below 35, then 32.50, 33 is the next stop. At 33 area, I think on the rally that went up to 140, we started on that 33 area. Not sure, but we'll have those numbers next week. Lowest lows since whenever the date was. Lower high, lower low. Market is pointed lower. I'm going to put that in. Got to move out of the middle and P on that split. F2 screen. Pretty clean break at 36 and a quarter. And this market usually pauses when it's made new lows or new highs. And we're 57, so 35, 75, 36, sell 1. 36 and a quarter, 36.50, sell 2. On the buy side, 35, 35 and a quarter, buy 1. Then 34.50, 34.75, buy 2. And last but not least, the euro. If China devalues again over the weekend, it did it 6 days in a row now. The euro's likely to be higher. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it. Do an H split right there. So this 1050 area, 1070 is where resistance is, today's highs. If China does not devalue again this weekend, chance for it to sell off some. So selling the 50-75 area, sell 1, sell 2. Last rotate down stopped at 10.10, so 110 even, buy 1. Then 9.75 buy 2, and we'll pick it up Monday morning. Okay, you should be in the March contract when we start trading Globex. Today it was fine to trade the D's contract. Not a problem with that. But the liquidity will move to March when we open up Monday morning. Y'all have a great weekend. We've had a good week of trading. Been tough in the E-mini. There are easier contracts to trade. We're going to push 70 today, then supposedly back into the 50s for next week, which would be seasonal. Y'all have a great weekend. May all your teams win. May you have fun doing whatever it is you do, and we'll see you bright and early Monday morning.